A super easy, creamy pasta recipe with only 3 ingredients. Hey, this is Jono from Simple Cookery, and today we're making a Fettuccine Alfredo. Coming up. First step is to bring a pot of water up to a rolling boil. As always, when we cook pasta, make sure you salt the water, and then we add in our fettuccine pasta. Whilst the fettuccine is cooking, we can prepare our ingredients for the sauce. So this pasta only has 3 ingredients. We've already got the fettuccine on the stove. The second ingredient is Parmesan cheese. So you want to finely grate some Parmesan cheese. As always, try use Parmesan cheese that you can grate yourself. For this recipe, it's particularly important because you want the cheese to be grated as finely as possible. This will really help the cheese melt evenly and create that creamy Alfredo consistency that we're looking for. The third and final ingredient that we're going to use for this simple pasta sauce is butter. So for 2 servings, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. And so I'm just going to cut the butter into smaller pieces so that it melts quicker and more evenly once you add the pasta in. As you can see, we're preparing all our ingredients in a cold pan, and this Alfredo sauce is really going to come together once the pasta is cooked. Once the pasta is finished cooking, you want to directly transfer it into the pan, and the reason being is you want to bring across some of that starchy pasta water, which is really going to help bring the sauce together. Give it a good mix, and a few tosses if you're brave enough. And here is where we want to add our final ingredient, which is the Parmesan cheese. Once you add the Parmesan cheese in, you want to quickly give it a good mix so that it stops it from clumping together. Add a touch more of that starchy pasta water just to loosen the sauce up a bit more. And what you'll start seeing is a really creamy sauce without even having to use any cream. And to finish off this Fettuccine Alfredo, we're just going to give it a final grating of Parmesan cheese. There we have it, my friends. Fettuccine Alfredo. Enjoy. Let's give this a go. Fettuccine Alfredo.
Man, that looks delicious. So I'm pretty hungry right now.
That's nice. It's hard to believe that's only 3 ingredients. And look, it's creamy, but there's no cream. It's the combination of the butter and the cheese and the pasta water. The pasta water is so important in this recipe. Look at it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment down below. Let us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. If you want to see the next episode, subscribe down below and hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you guys get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, bye-bye, guys.